Alimony is probably the term that most people are familiar with. It's the term that has been used by the majority of jurisdictions throughout the United States. Texas, of course, trying to be a little unique, has used the term spousal maintenance. Now, the advantage of having spousal maintenance is that it is subject to a court order, much like child support, and can be raised or could be lowered in certain circumstances, or can just be outright cut off. When someone is receiving alimony in the state of Texas, that is something that is going to be contractual in nature. So, you and I sign an agreement where I'm paying you alimony of X number of dollars per month for whatever period of time. Well, that's a contract action. And if I just, turn to you and say, you know what, I'm done paying you. Well, you don't have the remedy of going back to the court and asking the court to throw me in jail for not paying. You have a breach of contract action, okay? If I was paying you spousal maintenance and I just said, yeah, I don't think you need it, I'm not paying you, you could take me back to court and you could ask the court to throw me in jail, which they very likely would. Here's one of the other advantages in when you are using alimony, okay? There are tax consequences of alimony which are not present in spousal maintenance. If you're paying spousal maintenance, you're not getting any kind of credit for doing that. You're also, if you are receiving spousal maintenance, you're not paying any taxes on that. Conversely, with alimony, if you are paying alimony, you're getting a tax credit for it. It's going to reduce your adjusted gross income. If you are receiving alimony, you're going to pay taxes on it. So there are benefits to both sides. Like I said before, with alimony, you don't have a situation where you can be taken back to court and put in jail as a remedy for not paying. It's only a breach of contract action. Conversely, with spousal maintenance, you run the risk of that obligation being lowered if you're the person receiving it, if circumstances change by the person who's paying it. Let's say the person had a real high-paying job. They were, say, in television and making $1 million, $2 million a year. Well, let's say they get fired because of some sort of a scandal or something, and they don't have the ability to make those payments. Well, if you're getting spousal maintenance, you've got problems there. Alimony, different situation, breach of contract action.